The 2013 Audi AS6-R by ABT Sportsline. Last month, the German tuner, ABT Sportsline, unveiled the Audi AS6, a tuning kit that develops a total of 420 horsepower. Still, the tuner thought the car could do better, and today it announced a second kit called AS6-R that upgrades the output to a total of 600 horsepower. In order to get this 180 horsepower increase, the new AS6-R received an ABT Power S kit that includes an optimized engine management and an ABT turbocharger. Peak torque has been increased to 553 pound-feet, and the sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour is now made in 3.9 seconds. The speed limiter has also been removed, which allows the AS6-R to now hit a top speed of 192 miles per hour. ABT also installed a new sport-type exhaust system that significantly improved the engine sound. The car's exterior has also been modified with the addition of a new front skirt add-on, a side skirt add-on, and a new rear spoiler. All new items were made from carbon fiber. The AS6-R will be offered with new 21-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance tires.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.